go further in?
There's lots of room way at the end. I don't think you're going to fit.
Somebody gurgled again.
That's me. I already told you.
The gurgle that lives in her sternum.
Yeah, well, sternum area, but it's actually my throat in that area. No, wait. I give up.
Your throat isn't at your sternum is between your boobs.
No, like right there.
Whoa, dude, not okay, Caitlin.
Oh, you know what? I give up, okay?
Right.
Up at my side.
I thought it was actually up
Is
there.
that a video?
Yeah. No.
Oh, sternum!
Oh, sternum.
It looks like a dolphin tail.
Oh, man.
Oh yeah, that feels good. Move my feet, but I can't because Shayla's on them.
Oh, Shayla. You're pretty frisky this
This is a
evening.
pretty good footwork.
You're awfully frisky this evening.
Carly, you're making this sound very sexual because it's
We're
definitely
having
not.
foot sex.
It's so foggy. Look at the window.
Breathing so heavily.
I know why it's foggy.
Guys, how do we get out of this when we walk?
Shayla,
You fall off.
the
Let's get
window.
out first.
Write it on the
I
window.
can't get out there.
Foot sex.
You're gonna have to. Just unzip the sleeping
Why don't you
bag.
write it on the window? I can't reach.
You're